Introducing the Chil-LED3 light. Packed with innovation and revolutionizing lighting in temperature-controlled production and storage environments. This white polycarbonate fitting can be quickly installed through a single 40mm hole through the ceiling, creating a vapor-tight seal with just a 50mm protrusion, with no place for dust or dirt to ingress. All of the controls, LED driver, or optional driver and 3-hour emergency lighting equipment, are contained above the ceiling, enabling easy access for installation and maintenance, without the need to interrupt production processes. What's more, key components are kept at an ambient temperature, increasing the working lifespan. The intelligent design includes a heat extraction system, which reduces the load on the production environment's AC system and saves energy, whilst the latest generation LED light source and optics can produce a wide or narrow beam, depending on configuration. To find out how your next installation or upgrade can benefit, visit olivewoodtech.co.uk or call 01934 222 028.